everyone, this is Pankaj Bhauryal welcoming you all back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss present continuous tense with you. This is the second video of our topic tenses. The first video was simple present tense and you will find its link in the I button over there. So without wasting any more time, let's straight away go to our video. Present continuous tense. The present continuous verb tense indicates that an action or condition is happening now at present, frequently, or may continue into the future. Okay, means the action that is happening right now, frequently, or it may continue into the future. That is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used in the following ways. What are the ways? First is to describe an action in progress and the continuity of the action. Means any action that is happening right now, that is in progress right now. See the example. She is playing tennis, we are watering the plants. Both these sentences, both the actions are happening at present, right now. The action is in progress. Now the second way is an action that is not happening at the time of speaking but is in progress. He is working in an MNC. I am teaching in a school. These actions are not exactly happening at the time of speaking, but actually it is in progress. Third way, an action that has been pre-arranged to take place in near future. Any action that is going to happen in future, which is already pre-planned or pre-arranged. See the examples. The wedding is going to take place on Sunday. Is going to. This is continuous, present continuous, but then too we are discussing about future, Sunday. I am going to attend the class tomorrow. Again, future's action, but then too it is present continuous tense. I am going to. Rules for affirmative sentences in present continuous tense. Whenever the subject of affirmative sentence is singular, then first the subject comes, then is and am. Between these two, anyone. First form of the verb plus ing means verb plus ing. Then for plural, subject are because it's plural. Then first form of the verb plus ing means verb plus ing means present participle. Now see the examples. I am playing a game. Now this I is singular, so am. Then verb plus ing. She is reading a book. Again she is singular and is used because she is singular. Then verb plus ing. We are going to Shimla. We pronoun, this pronoun we is plural. So what we have used? We have used are. So whenever the subject is singular, we use is or am, and whenever it is plural, we use are. Fine. Now rules for negative sentences. Again, singular and plural. Here the only difference is the addition of not. Ram is not surfing the internet. They are not watching a movie. Ram is singular, so is. They is plural, so are. I am not swimming in the water. I is singular, and with I, we don't use I is not swimming. We always use I am. You are. He is. She is. They are. Okay, so I am not swimming in the water. These were the examples of negative sentences. Now the last one, that is rules for interrogative sentences. You already know that there are two kinds of interrogative sentences. Yes, no type and WH type. Yes, no type and WH type. So for yes, no type, we begin the sentence with is, am or are, depending on the subject, whether it's singular or plural. If it is singular, we'll begin the sentence with is or am. And if it's plural, we'll begin the sentence with ARER. Then comes the subject, then verb plus ing. For WH type questions, first we'll use the WH word, then is or are or am, then subject, then verb plus ing. Fine. What are yes no type questions? Yes no type questions are those questions whose answers will be in either yes or no. Fine. And WH type questions are those questions which begin with WH word, like who, what, why, where, who, whom, how. Examples. Is Reena cooking the food? Now Reena is singular subject, so we have begun the sentence with is. Is. Are you not writing a letter? You is singular, but the rule changes with you. Even if you is singular, we use ARER. We can't use is you not writing a letter. That is grammatically wrong. What is Ravina doing here? What is Ravina doing here? Now this is WH type question because the sentence is beginning with what? Then is, then Ravina doing here. Why is came? Because Ravina is singular. So the last example is, why is the camel not drinking water? So the camel is singular. Okay. So we have used is because is comes with singular. The camel, then comes not, then verb plus ing drinking water. So these were the examples of interrogative sentences. I hope you understood this. If you ended up liking this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't till now. That's it for now. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care and God bless.